Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Uwatch with on iOS. You can see right here we have the app already installed, and let's go ahead see what we got here. VeryFit Pro is the app that we are going to use today. This is the app that the Uwatch required. We are going to allow here all the access. As you can see, we have 3 pages to begin, and immediately this device or this app asks to find the watch. Let's give it a try, see if it finds it. The Bluetooth is on, and you can see in the second try we have the Uwatch GT right here. Press pair, confirm device we have to press now, and we are all set. You can see in the watch it says it's connected. We have here some information. Please fill this out correctly for yourself. I'm just going to go straight through these information, so I have to show you the app, but you have to go ahead and carefully fill these up. You can see right here we have the Uwatch GT page. As you can see, we have here the first page. We have today's activities, steps. As you can see, activities here, burn calories, distance and duration. We have next sleep. Here in sleep we have deep sleep, light sleep and awake time. You can see with hours and minutes, and we have heart rate as well. You can see average heart rate and other information. In the second page we have this week data. You can see activity, sleep and heart rate again, but we have more things to see, and not like in general like we had before, but we have here in more details. You can see we have here more sports like yoga and other that includes all of them. We have history, hero records, and that's basically it. Now we have here the records for weight. We saw the page when we connected. We have here call alerts. We can turn it on and off. Also we have the seconds. We have here sedentary alarm. As you can see, we have the timing for sedentary. We have here alarms, SMS alert. As you can see, we have notifications here. We can check or allow all these apps that this app support. We can allow all of them. We are going to allow some of the apps here. As you can see, let's start with Facebook. We have WhatsApp, Instagram and Messenger, which we use most of the time. Next we have here the heart rate detection. We can check it automatically or manually. We can let whichever we want. We have the wrist service. As you can see, we have here the activity mode. We can change the order of them. We have here display language. You can change the language, so we have quite a few languages. We have weather report, heart rate zone. You can see right here we have the none or do not disturb like we used to see. And this is the final page. You can see we have your login, your sport target, sleep target and target for weight. You can change all of these and how many you want. We have here personal information. As I said, you have to fill up these correctly so you get more accurate data. We have here unit settings. You can change your length, height and temperature. We have here system settings. Next we have the week, in which day the week starts. We have feedback, and we have some privacy policy, and this is it. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.